The coat of arms of Brazil was created on November 19, 1889, 4 days after Brazil became a republic. The coat of arms consists of the central emblem surrounded by coffee and tobacco branches, which were important crops in Brazil at the time. In the blue circle in the center, the Southern Cross can be seen. The ring of 27 stars around it represents Brazil's 26 states and the federal district. The blue ribbon contains the official name of Brazil in its first line. Prior to 1964, this line contained the previous official name Estados Unidos de Brazil, United States of Brazil. In the second line, the date of the Federative Republic's establishment is written. National Arms. The national arms of the Republic were instituted by Decree No. 4, with alteration made by Law No. 5443 of the 28th of May 1968. The making of the national arms should conform to the proportions of 15 units of height by 14 of width and take into account the following provisions. The round shield will be composed of a sky blue field containing 5 silver stars arranged in the form of the Southern Cross, with the border of the field outlined in gold and charged with silver stars equal to the stars existing in the national flag. 2. The shield will be placed on a star-parted gyron of 10 pieces, green and gold, bordered by 2 strips, the inner red and the outer gold. 3. All placed on a sword in pale, pommeled gold, hilted blue, except for the center part, which is red and contains a silver star. All upon a crown formed by a branch of coffee fruited on the dexter side and another of flowering tobacco on the sinister side, both in proper colors, tied blue, the whole assembled on a splendor of gold, the contours of which form a star of 20 points. Arms of the Empire of Brazil. The arms of the Empire of Brazil were used by both Emperors Pedro I and Pedro II until the downfall of the monarchy in 1889. These arms are used by the present imperial house. On the 18th of September 1822, 11 days after proclaiming Brazil's independence, Royal Prince Dom Pedro signed a decree instituting these arms, stating, "Henceforth the arms of this Empire of Brazil will be on a green field, a gold armillary sphere superimposed on a cross of the Order of Christ, the sphere encircled by 19 silver stars on a blue circle, and an imperial crown with diamonds set atop the shield, the sides of which will be embraced by 2 plants of coffee and tobacco, as emblems of its riches, in the proper colors and tied at the bottom with the national bowknot." On the 12th of October 1822, when the newly independent country was declared an empire and Prince Pedro became the country's first emperor, the coat of arms became known as the imperial coat of arms. The number of stars in the coat of arms reflected the number of provinces in the Brazilian Empire. The design of the crown in the coat of arms changed twice. For the 18th of September to the 12th of October 1822, the day when Emperor Dom Pedro I was crowned, the design of the royal crown of Portugal was used. From the day until the 18th of July 1841, the design of the imperial crown made for the first Brazilian emperor was used. On the latter date, when Brazil's second emperor, Pedro II, was crowned, using a new richer crown that was manufactured for him, the design of such crown replaced the image of the older diadem in the coat of arms, and remained in use until the downfall of the empire. That is the best-known version of the imperial coat of arms of Brazil. Gallery.